There are flashy pieces. There are ostentatious pieces. There are flat out showstoppers. And then there is this Audemars Piguet Royal Oak. This is a steel Royal Oak, 37 millimeters, I believe. And this is with a, where didn't they put diamonds on this thing? Full pave set in the center of the dial going all the way out to the border. They did allow the cross marks here so you could tell time on this watch. I really appreciate that touch. And then more diamonds here on this signature AP Royal Oak bezel, even onto the lugs and the end link here. This is really a watch for the diamond lover, if I have ever seen one. Beautiful looking, very supple Audemars Piguet strap, and of course their AP deployant clasp here too. No diamonds on the case back. You do get an exhibition case back to show off the beautiful movement though, which I think is a little bit more tasteful, but I can't say the same for the dial. This one's loud, and if you want a piece like this, good luck finding another one. So let's go ahead and get it to you at SwissWatchExpo.com.